In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open two charts in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, being able to view multiple charts simultaneously can greatly enhance your analysis and decision-making process. Let's walk through it step by step and make sure you're comfortable with how it's done. First off, you'll want to begin by opening TradingView. If you aren't already familiar with this platform, TradingView is an incredibly powerful tool for traders, offering a multitude of features to help analyze markets. To get started, head over to https://tradingview.com. Once there, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access all the features. If you don't have an account, you might want to consider creating one to fully benefit from what TradingView offers. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the chart area. Here, you'll find an icon that resembles a window split into sections. This is the Select Layout icon. This tool allows you to change how information is displayed, which is exactly what we need to do to open two charts. Hover over this icon, and you'll see it expand to reveal a variety of layout options. These options let you customize how many charts you want on your screen and how they should be arranged. What we're interested in today is the layout that shows two rectangles side by side or stacked. This is the two-chart layout. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you select this layout, your screen will transform, splitting into two separate chart panels. You now have the ability to closely monitor two different assets at once or compare the same asset across different time frames with ease. With your two charts now visible, the next step is to set up each chart according to your preferences. To start, click inside one of the charts to activate it. This will allow you to make personalized changes like selecting a different symbol. For instance, you might want to place Nifty on one chart and Bank Nifty on the other. Adjusting the time frame is just as simple. Select between various options like 1 hour for one chart and a daily view for another to fit your analysis needs. Additionally, you have the option to apply separate indicators to each chart. Maybe you'll have the moving average on one and the RSI on another. Tailor each chart to your unique trading strategies. Finally, for those who prefer synchronization, TradingView offers sync options at the top. You can choose to sync specific features like time, crosshair, symbol, or even drawings across both charts. While this step is entirely optional, it can be particularly useful if you're looking to maintain consistency between your analyses. And that's it. You're all set to use two charts effectively in TradingView. By utilizing this dual chart setup, you can make more informed trading decisions, comparing different instruments or timeframes with ease. Remember, being able to view multiple perspectives at once can significantly enhance your market insights. Happy trading, and thank you for watching.